guys, I wanted to share with you my Kick a Cold tea today, which is really great for helping your body fight viruses and also to protect you from them since everyone's freaking out about corona. So let me show you. You only need 2 ingredients. The first is ginger, and ginger has been shown to be highly effective at fighting respiratory viruses. So this is a key ingredient. And then the second ingredient is thyme. And you can get this in the produce section of most regular food stores, definitely a health food store, but even regular. And thyme has been shown to be antiviral, and it's also really helpful if you do have a cold or a flu and you have phlegm and mucus. It helps to expel some of that stuff. So I'm just gonna rinse this off. And there's a few ways you can make this tea. Honestly, I usually just put everything in my cup and then drink it. So that's one way. You can use a tea press or a French press, or you can use one of these little tea ball things, but obviously they're pretty small, so it's hard to get all the thyme in there. So let me just show you what I do. The thyme, I'm gonna just throw right in just like this, just rinse it off and throw it in. You could actually put a little bit more than that because it's for multiple cups. Then for the ginger, I'm using organic ginger, so I'm gonna leave the peel on. If you're not using organic, I would suggest just removing the peel. And then you just wanna slice it into thin slices, just like this. And then you're just gonna throw this either right into your cup or into your French press. And the more surface area that you give it, the more ginger that's gonna infuse into your cup. So I like to be generous with it. I might actually throw some more thyme in because then I can just reuse this and keep making multiple cups. All right, that's that. And I'm gonna put my water in. And it smells so fresh. This is just so nice. You could actually add lemon to this as well because lemon makes tea taste better always. And yeah, you'll just let this steep, and then you put this little thing, you press this down basically, and it will, when it's ready, I would let it steep for like 5 to 7 minutes, and then I would press this down. And then that's it, then your tea is ready. One other tip, if you are doing it just in your cup, I would recommend taking a plate and just sticking it on top, so that way it can steep and it'll still stay hot after the 5 to 7 minutes to make sure you're getting all the benefits that you want. So that's it, drink up. I hope you enjoy this tea recipe. If you try it, let me know in the comments below.